الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون. Even ask the people of knowledge to them if indeed many of the people of the world. We believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We believe in the messengers of Allah Azza wa Jal, alayhi salatu wassalam, but we don't give any of the creation of Allah, whether it's an angel or a prophet or a messenger or a righteous person, a station over and above that which Allah Azza wa Jal has given to them. Waraqa ibn Nawfal, the cousin of Khadija radiallahu anha, when revelation first came, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam comes to him and he tells him what he experienced in the mountain of Hira in the cave, Waraqa immediately accepts this. As Allah Azza wa Jalla is saying here, that do not say concerning those people that have died, that have been martyred, that they are simply dead.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم